Guys, this is the woods behind my house, and it's flooded terribly. There's frogs on the pathway where I usually walk. This spot right here. Oh, there's one bullfrog right there. I'll try and cut him off and catch him here. There he is. There he is, all the way down there. Oh God, this weather is horrible though. I can usually stand down, see where this stops here. I usually stand down in there. It's just horrible weather. This is the worst flood I've ever seen in my life, honestly. And over here, that is just completely flooded. There's usually thousands and thousands of lily pads. I haven't even seen 100 since I came down here. And because they're all in the water. There's another bad spot here where it's flooded. It's going to take a little bit to get there. Just horrible. It's just terrible flooding. But yeah, right down here too, I can usually stand right down in here. But if I were to stand and go all the way down, it'd probably come close up to my knees. Yeah, alright. Here's another spot here. This is a culvert pipe. This is probably more than doubled in like height. The water probably doubled in height here at least. I can usually fish off here, not anymore. Over here, usually a regular pathway for me. Just take a look at how deep this gets. There's actually a little waterfall type thing going on down here. A little stream type thing. Pretty deep in water right here. And this is usually a pathway. And I can go all the way from here down all the way past those bushes right there without getting wet. This is just horrible weather. The deepest part is probably about right here. You can barely even see my feet. Yeah, but I'll come back down here later and show you how much more flooded it's going to get. Alright, bye.